Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Mickey and welcome to the Naio Nails channel. Today I'm going to show you a design that we've done a similar one before called like the ripped nail, but this is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be brighter, more summery, and yeah.
That could really scare people off when you just say we just did the ripped nail.
Yeah, it's not, see, this one's not really going to be a ripped nail. It's going to be a lightning bolt nail with kind of like rainbowy colours, pastel-y, rainbowy kind of, yeah, colours. If you get what I mean. Just watch. It'll be good. Right, so I've got a nail tip. I'm working on a nail tip. So the first colour that we lay down will be the last colour that you see. All will be revealed. So we're going to start with Azure, or Azure, and we want a nice layer. You want to use really pigmented colours. And we're going to pop that in the lamp. The next colour we're going to use is velvet ribbon. So take the velvet ribbon, and you could do any kind of colour combination really, but what is important is that your gel polishes are super opaque because we're doing one coat of colour. Now to keep it nice and thin, I'm going to drag off any excess at the sides because we won't really use that bit. So I'm not too fussed about it being a little bit transparent at the sides. As you can see, I want the main colour run down the centre of the nail. Right, so then we're going to go with this colour. I don't know the name. Oh, Mimosa. Right, so then we're going to go with Carambola, which is one of my favourite yellows. So at the moment you might think we're doing Polish Mountain, but we're not.
Oh, not that again.
We will never do Polish Mountain ever again.
Never say never.
Alright, 2 days of filming.
It did take 2 days of filming, but you did. I think that could have been due to the fact that you decided to sing every name.
Yeah, maybe. You might be right there. Right, so let's pop that in. So you'll notice I am keeping a lot of the product away from the sides, so I'm going very thin with the product at the sides so it doesn't bulk the nail out too much. And then we're going to use chartreuse. So again, getting most of the opaque colour down the middle and then going very thin at the sides. You can see I sort of drag my brush to take off a little bit from the sides, just to keep that nail nice and slim, and pop that in. Then the last colour I'm going to use is Cashmere. But if you watch this channel, you know that this is my ultimate favourite. Absolutely love this nude. It's my go-to nude. Cashmere and Pashmina, I love them, but I do love this one. But I'm going to do 2 thin coats of this because this is the final layer. I want a nice even coat, and I'll get that by doing 2 thin even coats of gel polish. Now I saw this kind of design about 10 years ago, and it was on Nail Pro magazine on their, like, I think it was they used to do like, I've done front covers for Nail Pro magazine, and they do like a video of you creating the nails, and somebody had done this technique, but they'd done it with nail varnish, so your normal nail polish, and they'd used a cotton bud or Q-tip in acetone and just kept rolling and rolling until you revealed the colours. It was beautiful, but you will have a problem with the old fuzz, bit of fuzzy, but it was really cool. And so yeah, it's still cool now, just using a different product. You could do this with acrylic, but it'd be more difficult, it would. So second nice thin layer, I want to get it nice and even, and pop that in the lamp. Then we're gonna add a matte top coat to this nail. Of course, I just love the matte top coat so much. So matte top coat, this is the ultra matte top coat from the Urban Graffiti collection, obviously from Naio Nails. I remember when they released this and I was so excited. I was like, yes, Naio nails, you did good. Right, so we're gonna pop that in the lamp. For this next step, you do need an electric file. You can use a normal hand file, but you won't be able to do a precise design. You'll still be able to do a cool look, a bit like Vanessa's van, but it'll be a little bit different. So what I'm going to do roughly, first of all, is sort of mark out the design that I'm going to do, which will be this lightning bolt. So I can kind of see where I'm going to go, what I'm going to do, and then I can go for it. So I'm going to use this pointy bit first to sort of do the edges, and then I will change the bit. Clients love it when you do these kind of designs as well, because they're like, oh my god, they watch it be revealed.
Yeah, the reveals the important thing.
Yeah.
That's very ASMR there, did you see that?
Yeah.
Like where it's churning.
Oh yeah. Now I want to round a bit. You could use a ball bit or something like this. And now we're going to take out all of this colour in the centre. And you want to kind of get that done first and reveal that colour. And then we're going to go through to the other colours now. I need to change this bit to a better bit because that's peely. So we're penetrating through the colours, and then we know that the last colour is the blue. So I'm going to keep going till I meet the blue. Just want to come through here, see if I can get a bit of blue. Right, I'm going to take a buffer and just soften any edges because we want it to be nice and smooth. So now I'm just going to clean over with gel residue wipe off solution because I don't want no dust particles in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the build in a bottle gel, because it's a little bit thicker, so I want you to kind of see that we have a little bit of a dip. There you are, you can see the dips there a bit better. I was trying to get a better angle so you can see the dip. So you can see the little dips, obviously where we've drilled away. So we want to fill that in. I'm going to do that with Clear as Day, going straight onto this. And what we're going to do is just, because this is a thicker product, it will fill it in rather than just going in with, say, a top coat. It won't quite fill it. If you're only doing a few colours and it wasn't so deep, then yeah, you could get away with using your top coat. That would be fine. So I'm just going to take a gel brush and smooth the edges till we get it pretty filled. Turn it upside down to make gravity do its job. And let's pop that in to the lamp, give that a cure. And then we're going to wipe over with gel residue wipe off solution just to remove that sticky layer. And we're going to give it a buff. Just to smooth it. And I love the way the colours pop from that nude colour. And I really do think that colour choice is key when you're doing a design like this. Now, do we go matte or glossy?
I think you go glossy.
Oh, I knew you'd say glossy. I am going to put some stones on. Obviously, we're going to put crystals on. Obviously. So, there you are. Lightning bolt file through design with a whole heap of bling.
Cool.
Lovely. But you could do you could really go to town and play around with this sort of technique and do lots of different shapes and weird and wonderful designs. So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, everything I've used today will be listed below. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram and give us a hashtag, and I will see you in the next video. Keep watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.